Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to open my January Birchbox 2018. So this is the second video I filmed today opening my Birchbox boxes because I accumulated like 3 of them and I didn't want to film like a 7 years long video because nobody has time for that, and I decided to film this separately and I changed my shirt and my lip color. So before we open this box, please subscribe if you haven't already. That would mean a lot to me, like a lot. Yeah, let's open this box. Let's see what we got this month. Alright, so a little info. Maybelline gave me a shout out on Instagram today and oh my god, I was in tears. I mean, Maybelline gave me a shout out. Me! I hope I'm not dreaming because that's amazing. I mean, thank you so much, Maybelline. That means so much to me. So today was a very good day. I mean, it still is because I still gain followers from that shout out. So thank you so much, Maybelline. What can I say? You made my day. So if you're not following me on Instagram, why not? Take a look. Maybe you like what you see. I managed to open this. And the box is very pretty. It's very pretty. I think it's a collaboration with Charuka. Let's see what we got here. Yes, it says we wish you a Merry Christmas. No, that doesn't say that. It says we wish you 2018 full of happiness. Thank you. The best is yet to come. Of course, I feel that. So yeah, let's see what we got this month. Let's see. I already have this cream. That's not possible, Birchbox. I didn't start well. I didn't start with the right. So, I already have this. My bad. It's not the same cream, but it's from the same brand and they look pretty similar. So what I had was face insensitive area face cream, and oh my god, I was using this for my hands and this is for my face. Wow, I wasted this cream on my hands. I mean, I didn't waste it, but anyway, this was face insensitive areas. I don't know. And today I got the hand cream. Oh, this is the hand cream and this is the face cream. Oops. So I guess I jumped into conclusion way too fast. My bad, okay? So this is the hand cream. This is by the brand Polar. And the full size is 16 euros and 90 cents. Hand cream, the January Lapland cream with 3 Arctic berries. Oh. We have another product from Luseta, and this is coconut milk hair mask. So this is another hair mask from Luseta. Says nourishing and moisturizing, color safe, free of sulfates, paraben and gluten for normal and dry hair. So oh my god, the full size for this is 35 euros. Okay, Luseta. Okay. Oh my god, this smells delicious. Alright, so next we have this lipstick. What? This is from the brand Miss Cup Makeup. I remember, yes, I got a travel size brush a few months ago. Anyway, I throw that away. Oops. Yes, that was from Miss Cup. I remember. It was very weird in like a silver package, something like that. Anyway, this is Corector Stick Coral. Cover up dark under eye circles and brown spots. So I don't have dark spots and my under eye circles are not dark. But anyway, this is in the color Coral. So they have 3 colors. They have a yellow one and the green one, and I have the orange one. And yeah, this is €1.95. Okay, so let's see how pigmented this is, right? Because that's what matters. Oh girl, that's orange. Like orange. So yeah, the pigmentation is there, but once you blend that out, shouldn't be that pigmented. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I have 2 more products, and let's see this. This is from the brand Marcelle, and this New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. Oh my god, a lot of serums I got in my Birchbox. So this is paraben free, fragrance free, hypoallergenic. What is this? Apply morning and night, alone or under makeup. Oh my god, Marcelle. This is, the full size is €35.50. So the last product in my January Birchbox is this, what is this? This is from Kueshi and is a waterproof makeup remover with chamomile and aloe vera, and is the, you see it has like an oil product, and this is the water, so you have to shake it to mix them together, and it looks like this. Oh, so cute. The full size is €9.70. Alright, so this was my January Birchbox, and yeah, what can I say? I'm excited to try this hair mask, this waterproof makeup remover, and the serum, that very powerful serum, 8-in-1. Marcelle. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to catch a fly. It was amazing, you know.